All right. Um, you are welcome to this my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be revealing some powerful secrets. This simple trading strategy that is very effective. All right. If you are a beginner or you have been looking for a strategy that can work at least as a day trader on daily basis so that you'll be making some amount of money, but there are a lot of things that are involved in forex. You need to set daily goals. All right, so this strategy will help you to achieve your daily goals in the sense that if you have a target of making maybe $1,000 or a $5,000, depending on your account size, it will help you to achieve it. 90% winning rate. All right, so we're going to cover some things that will help you to achieve your goal in forex trading. All right, so some of the things we're going to cover is chart pattern. This strategy is based on chart pattern, and the particular one we are going to discuss is on a descending triangle pattern. We'll be discussing on a descending triangle pattern, how you can use this triangle pattern to trade, to maximize, to find an entry and exit point. The strategy is specifically based on how you can find an entry on a trend. All right, so you will get to know the definition. I will show you some example and also a live market example, and I will also explain to you how in details how you can apply it. And as well, best time frame is not every time frame that this thing has been tested on. So the good news for you is that when you will be taking this strategy to experiment it on your own, you're going to go straight to the best time frame that it has proven. All right, then the particular currency pay that this strategy fits on, works perfectly on. These are secrets that I'm going to be revealing to you. So the video is quite loaded. It's very simple. I'm going to keep it simple and straightforward. You just have to watch the video, take practical steps, practice it on demo for some time, then with your combination of your psychology and this strategy, and you are good to go. All right, so I'm also going to show you how you can manage your risk with this strategy. So the strategy is loaded. So a simple definition of this triangle pattern is simply a continuation pattern that we use to enter a trade, whether on downtrend or uptrend. It's very effective when the market is on trend. Triangle pattern or the triangle pattern, whether descending, whether ascending triangle pattern, symmetry, whatever you call it. All right, they are very effective when market is on trend. And this strategy is specifically based on scalping. It is for scalpers. All right, it's for scalpers. Just short term 20-30 pips, for you to be just capturing 20-30 pips when market is on trend. So you have to use bigger time frame to confirm the direction of the market, to confirm the trend for the day, and then you will come back. I will show you the time frame that you'll be using so that you'll be making money here and there. All right, so a good example of the market structure is, look at it when the market is on a trend. It will be making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And so when you are watching the market in a day, you have confirmed the direction of the market with 4 hours or a day time frame. The way I do it, when you have confirmed the direction of the market, all right, the best time frame that we're going to be using is 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. So this, when you come to 5 minutes time frame and on your charts, all right, market is forming lower high, lower low. You have already confirmed that the market is on downtrend, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So what you will do is you will take your trend line and then do a simple analysis. Simple but effective. All right, simple but powerful. So you use your trend line to draw a triangle pattern. based on this ranging, markets converging to a particular point. All right, you draw on above it, you use it to draw a resistant line. You use this trend line to draw a triangle line forming a resistant line. This one is the resistant line, then this one is the support line here. So what you'll be waiting for when the market is converging here, what you'll be waiting for is a breakout, either to the downside or to the upside. Whichever direction that it breaks out to, you now wait for a retest of that level. So it has broken our support line in this market structure now. All right, you have to wait for a pullback before you now use a candlestick price action to enter your trade. So let's go to live example. This is my chart. So the pair that we are going to be using to be applying this strategy on is AUD JPY, and the time frame is 5 minutes time frame. All right, the time frame is 5 minutes time frame. So you go to, on a daily basis, you use the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame and confirm the direction of the market for that day, the trend, whether market is trending up or is trending down. All right, you confirm whether market is trending up or is trending down. If you now confirm it, the next thing you will do is to come to 5 minutes time frame. All right, we come to 5 minutes time frame. One of the characteristics of a disciplined trader is patience. You have to be patient, and that is why this strategy can flip your $100 to $1,000 in a week, because in 5 minutes time frame, this strategy will always present, opportunity will always present itself in this 5 minutes time frame, or it will always present itself. If we didn't see opportunity in Frankfurt section, definitely you will see opportunity in London section or New York section. So, but opportunity will normally present itself. You just have to wait, to be patient, to be watching the market, and immediately you notice a converging to a point like this, you draw your trend line, you draw your support and resistance line. All right, and when you were observing it, just wait for a breakout. It is a quick scalp. Just within some minutes, you have made some thousands of dollars. All right, so for instance, in this chart, market is ranging like this, and I used a trend line to draw a support. Okay, a support forming the triangle. All right, and a resistance. So immediately market breaks out, I didn't join the trend right away, because at times there is a false breakout. So but when the market now pulls back, okay, when the market pulls back and this candle formed, then I also used a moving average to confirm that it is still continuing the downside, that it is not a false breakout. So immediately this formed, you have to enter your trade here. All right, and then set your take profit. This candle, triple it, 1:3 ratio. You have to triple this candle to the downside. If this candle is maybe 10 pips, so you will be targeting like 30 pips. All right, you have to make it 10 pips by trade. So your 1:3, so your stop loss is going to be 10 pips away from your entry. So this is how you can manage your risk and you flip your account. All right, so this strategy will help you to be getting 1:3 ratio on each of your trade. So even if it fails, that is why it is 90%. All right, even if the 10% fails, with 1:3 ratio, imagine you making 30 pips on each of your trade, and maybe you put one trade on a day and that one failed, 10 pips, you are still very, very profitable. Right, so this strategy is very, very okay for a scalper, for a day trader. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will be revealing strategies, anyone that has been proven, I'm going to reveal it. So subscribe to this channel turn on the notification bell, like if you like the content, okay, give this video a thumbs up, so that people that are still struggling, they are looking for a simple strategy to grow their account, they will be able to watch it, all right, and then grow their account and become consistent. All right, this strategy is very, very effective. Remember that you have to practice this on demo for at least 1 month, 2 months. You have to practice it on demo, because Forex is not just the strategy. You need to combine the strategy with your psychology. The strategy may be very, very powerful, but because of your emotions, your fear, you are still afraid of loss, your errors, mistakes as a result of fear, inconsistency. These things will make it will look like the strategy is not working. So you have to practice this until you are able to master it. If you are well to do, if you are financially stable a little bit, you can even put $100 or $200 in your account and then practice it. Do you understand? You practice it and you keep on trading until you master the strategy. Then you can now start using it to grow your big account. So thank you for joining me in this video, and see you next time.